Hello, my name is Cindy Tuck. My website name is NOLA Westbank Homes. Broker, Keller Williams Realty on Westbank. Please notice the buttons on side of your screen, where you can get more information. When opening this tour, you can scroll downward or click on the down arrow to start. There you can access either the still photo gallery or start the visual tour. Please enjoy the tour. This is 816 Ginette Street. It has 3 bedrooms plus an office, 2 baths, in well-established Belle Meade Subdivision in Gretna. Home has a covered front porch and back patio, with a detached 2-car garage. French doors lead from porch into office. Facade has been updated in the last decade with new roof, vinyl siding, and windows. This is looking out from the front door entrance toward the street. You will see the breezeway between detached garage and office. This is the front entrance. The home is set as a smart home, and you will notice the Ring Doorbell here, as well as the secure smart lock for keyless entry on the front door. Entering the front door into the foyer. This is the foyer view from living room. Home has an open floor plan. This is a view of living room and dining room after walking into foyer. This is the living room. Walls are decorated in warm, neutral colors. View of living room and foyer from the other side of room. The laminate wood flooring flows from foyer to living room, to dining room, and into kitchen. Looking into dining room from living room. This is the dining room. Door leads into the kitchen. Dining room. Entering kitchen from dining room. Kitchen. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances installed in 2018. The built-in microwave oven was just replaced this year in 2020. Kitchen has a low bar top which is open to the next room. Next to bar can be used as a breakfast area. View into breakfast area, den and back patio from kitchen. This is the den. Doors entrance into hallway leading to the bedrooms, laundry, and bathroom. View into den and kitchen from end of the hallway in den. Den, bedrooms, and baths all have new ceramic tile flooring. This is the master bedroom. It has a walk-in closet, and outer part of master bath is open to the bedroom. Another view of master bedroom looking from the bath area. Master bath.